How long is DUI probation? And there's a statutory minimum period of DUI probation in California, and that's 3 years. It can be up to 5 years, okay, even on a first DUI. The important thing for you to know, though, is just because the DUI probation says that it must be 3 years, or that 3 years is the probation period that must be imposed when you're sentenced, it doesn't mean you can't terminate the probation early. If that sounds confusing, I don't know. Let me try to explain it like this. You can get a 3-year probation period imposed on a DUI to begin with, but you may have a really good job offer coming up after being on probation for, let's say, for example, 1 year, and you need to get your criminal case expunged, but you can't get your DUI case expunged while you're on probation. You can file a petition to terminate probation early. You're allowed to terminate probation early, even though it's supposed to be 3 years of probation. That's only a requirement for what must be imposed to begin with. You can ask the court to end your 3-year probation early. And if you get your probation terminated early, then you can get your DUI offense expunged. And if you get it expunged, then you can tell an employer that you haven't been arrested or convicted of a DUI offense. And when a background check is done, the background check company is not allowed to report to the employer that you've been arrested or convicted of a DUI. The main reason that people want to get a wet reckless, aside from the fact that there's not generally jail time imposed with a wet reckless, is that the probationary period is shorter. So instead of being a 3-year probation period, it's a 1-year maximum probationary period, which means you can get your offense expunged after 1 year. Or even in that scenario, you can always apply to have your probation terminated before 1 year and then try to get it expunged. So that's generally how long DUI probation is in California. If you have questions, give me a call. Nafas Ahmed.